So the WuGang Association got together today, and those of you who don't know what the WuGang Association is, it's a sales leadership group that we get together once a month, and sales leaders gather and we share ideas, we talk about topics. And this month we got together and we talked about motivating our sales force. So my buddy Jim here was a part of the team. We pulled this together. And Jim, one topic, one point you got from motivating our sales team that really hit home for you. What did you hear?
Teddy, I think what I heard is it's really difficult to motivate people externally. I think the key is motivate people hire people who are internally motivated, who are absolutely driven to succeed, are going to do anything they can without being pushed or asked or coddled, but are internally motivated to make things happen. The challenge for us sales managers is to ask the right questions so that we begin to ascertain if they've really got those skills. Yeah. I think that's the key. You just got to hire people who are absolutely driven to make it work.
Yeah, good. And then we had lots of great conversations. Again, this is the WuGang Association. We meet monthly in Winston-Salem. It's a sales leadership association. Great conversations. The topics are the topics that are important to sales leaders. So if you're interested in knowing more, don't hesitate to reach out to me or my buddy Jim Blaylock, and let us know if you want to join the WuGang Association, Winston-Salem's premier sales leadership association.
Absolutely.